The advantages of square-shaped table. Dear friends, the table is one of the most crucial pieces of furniture you must have, either for personal or commercial use. The table characteristic, which can be used for a lot of things, in other words multifunctional, makes tables come with multiple functions and shapes. The basic shape for the table is of course the square-shaped table. Is considered to become the basic and most traditional table shape. But there is another shape, a round-shaped table. The following are some advantages that the square table had over its round one counterpart. Has sides. Unlike the round-shaped table, the square-shaped table has sides. Because of this, a square-shaped table is usually more practical to use, it has more capacity, it has more dimensions, and it can accommodate a lot of users at once. This means a square table is more comfortable to use if you and your loved ones want to have fun or a warm time doing something that requires a table. Square table is your absolute choice. Although not as flexible as the round table, but square table's ability to accommodate more capacity is so useful. Multifunction. Because of its shape and ability to accommodate more than the round table. A square shape is usually the shape chosen for a variety of tables with different functions. It can be a dinner table, it can be a working desk, it can be a TV cabinet, it can be a study desk, and other tables. Although it requires more space than a round table, the variety of functions the square table provides is enough to compensate for that. Had more variety model. Square-shaped tables also had more variety in terms of the model. It can be classic, suburban, modern, futuristic, or aesthetic. Because of this, although considered to consume more space than the round table, square-shaped tables compensate for that with a lot of models to accommodate your theme or taste. Easier to make. Please note that square-shaped table is easier to make than a round table. Because of its simple shape, the square-shaped table is easier and faster to make. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.